Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Bee's kitchen. Karibuni sana. So today I'll be making, or rather I'll be cooking ndomas. There are those people who call them ndomas. There are those who call them the arrowroots. You know, when I say ndoma, you know you're familiar with what I'm saying. So these are the ingredients for today. These are the ndomas here. I'll have three of them, three big ndomas. I'll be putting alongside some potatoes, some carrots. I have the capsicum here, the red bell pepper, but I'll just use half of it. I have two big tomatoes. There you go. I've already cut my onion into small pieces. I've diced it up. On this other side, I have my ginger garlic. Then for the spices, I'll be using turmeric. I'll be using the garam masala, the paprika, and the curry powder. But this one is optional. The curry powder is optional, but I'm going to use it. Then salt to taste. So stick around as I dice up my ndomas. I still have to dice it up, like you say. They're too big. You can just cook them like the way they are. I have to dice them up. Yeah. And for this is a beetroot, but I'm not cooking with it either. I'm going to grate it, and then when I'm having my ndomas, I'll just pour it on top, you know, for just flavor and yeah. So I'll have to cut everything into small pieces, slice them up as we start cooking. Welcome, karibuni, stick around. At this point, I've already diced up everything. Here are the ndomas. This is how they look when you dice them up. And the potatoes, I've cut them into two pieces because they were too big. Here we go. The capsicum, I've diced it up. The tomatoes, well cut. This other one is the red bell pepper. There you go. I've already crushed my ginger, garlic. So what I'm left with is to cook. Stick around and we see how the food is gonna be. So I'll start by burning my oil. Start with cooking the onions here. So I'm going to start by cooking my onions until they're golden brown. For the carrots, I've decided to grate them. I know by grating them, they're going to give me some thick soup. Yeah. And please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button, the like button, the share button. Just do that for me. Yeah. At this stage, I can add in my garlic ginger paste here. There we go. Then I'm going to put in my tomatoes. Then my capsicum. There you go. Oh, just doesn't want to come out. No worries. Just pick you up there. To give it a good mix. Now at this stage, I'm going to put in my spices, because I want the spices to cook up with the tomatoes and the capsicum. So I'm going to add in my paprika. There you go. Garam masala. And then this is turmeric I've put together with the curry powder. There. To give it a good mix. So for now, I'm just waiting for the tomatoes just to cook up and crush up, so that I can be able to put in my ndumas, the arrowroots, together with the potatoes. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Everything has cooked up, so I'm going to add in my ndumas, the arrowroots. Here we go. There. Look at that. Then I'm going to add in my potatoes. The potatoes have to go in together with the ndumas because I want them to cook together. I'm going to give it a good mix so that the spices can be all over. At this point I've already mixed up everything well. The spices are all over, you can see. So what I'll do, I'll just cover it for 2 minutes and allow it to simmer for, not to simmer, sorry, to cook for just 2 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to add in my carrots and some water so that I can give the potatoes and the ndumas time to cook. Okay? Salt. Need to put salt in there. That's enough. They look so delicious already, and they're not yet cooked. Look at that. So I'm going to add in my carrots at this stage. I already grated 2 carrots. Here we go. But now I'm going to add in some water to allow everything to cook up. You should be cautious of the amount of water that you are adding, because again, you don't want to overdo and you know. So that is enough for me. So I'm going to allow it to boil so that I can test whether the salt is okay, or whether I'm going to add more. But I guess whatever I put was enough, so I'm just going to give it time and see. I'm going to leave it to boil for around 30 minutes so that the ndumas can be cooked together with the potatoes. Yep, it's been 30 minutes and counting. There we go. The potatoes are ready, you can see. The ndumas are ready. Wow. The meal is looking so nice. So at this point, I'm going to add in my red bell pepper. This is what I'm going to garnish it up with. There we go. Just going to give it just a bit of turning, while careful, because I don't want to crush my potatoes. They seem to have cooked. There. My meal now is ready for serving. This kind of a meal, you can have it with you can do it with either chapati, you can do it either with some beef on the side, chicken. So for me, I'll just do it with beef, you know. Yeah, I just love the outcome. Now this is my outcome for the meal. I have beef on the side. I have the grated beetroot. There you go. And these are my ndumas. And these are the red bell pepper that I garnished with. And these are the potatoes. So let's dig in. I can't wait to taste, you know. Let me start with this. And it's hot, way too hot. There we go. adding anything else. This is why we say 10 over 10 minus 10. No, 10 over 10 minus 10. Oh God, I don't know. I have no even idea what I'm saying. But anyway, I don't care what I want to say. But the milk, a ratio of 1:10. I give it not even up to 10. I just give it 100. It's so nice. Right? Look at that. Allow me to enjoy my meal. That was Beet's Kitchen for you. Until next time, bye bye.